Hello and congratulations for successfully signing up with Cloudbook. Excited as you are, we at Cloudbook would like to give you a quick guide on how to get started. Cloudbook is designed to be the simplest online accounting software, and we hope when you first use you experience it yourself. Let's begin. Set up your company. Once you're logged in, you will need to complete the general business profile setting, which can be found by clicking on the setting icon. Start entering your business name, trading name, contact details, number of employee, the industry, and the address, then click on Save. Scroll down for your business accounting preference and localization settings, then click on Save. The next tab is your document layout. Upload your company logo and set your document signature. Email template is where you can set your default email and enter your email signature, then click on Save. Add email templates by entering the subject and template body, then click on Add Template. You'll find your list of templates down here where you can edit and delete it. Then the next tab is the online payment, where you are required to enter the first and last name as well as your email address that is registered with PayPal. Then click on Save. Next is the bank account. Click on Add New Bank and enter the necessary details, and scrolling down is where you can find your list of bank accounts registered. Set one as your primary, or you may wish to edit and delete that. Going back is the Manage Upload Email, where you need to enter an email address, then click on Add. Verify and activate the email address by going into the email address that is registered. Let's proceed with settings by going to the invoice setting. Invoice setting will let you decide which number it should begin and the sequence, as well as for your tax preference, and set your invoice addendum. You also have 3 custom fields available. Then click on Save. Then the quotation setting, where you can set the same addendum as what you're using with your invoice, and 3 custom fields for your quotation. Then click on Save. Doc type management. Add document type, any documents that you are using with your accounting work. Then click on Add and you'll find your list down here. User management. For user management, this will let you add people to help you with your accounting work. They are called the sub-users. Click on Add Sub-User and choose the type of contact from your customer, vendor, or employee and select from the list. Create a unique username and click on Create Sub-User to activate it. You will find your list of sub-users below, where you can deactivate, delete, and edit permissions. Notification setting is where you can turn off and on alerts that are active on your Cloudbook, and click on Save. Plan setting is where you can view upgradable plans available for you. My Cloudbook is where you can enter your personal information and where the API details is available, and this is where you can reset or enter a new password. Then click on Save. Notifications will appear at the top of the page for successful entry of updated information, or as well as errors. And that's it for the settings, but let's proceed with the main tabs found at the top of your Cloudbook page. Let's first discuss the Upload button, or the Upload tab. By clicking on the Upload tab, you'll start uploading images of receipts, sales receipts, or any other documents you wish to record in your Cloudbook. Drag and drop them to the gray area after you've taken a photo, or you may click on Select File and browse it through your device. Next is adding your contacts by clicking on the People tab. You'll find the business's 3 main characters, which is the Customer tab, Vendor tab, and Employee. For each contact, you will find an Add button. Click on the Add button and the window will pop up where you can start entering your contact details. For Customer tab, you will find your customer list below, showing the name, mobile number, address, and status if it's active or inactive. And for you to make a quick search from your list of contacts, you can type in the name from here and click on search. Notice the customer name is highlighted right there, and that would mean, or by clicking on that, this will lead you to the detail page of your contact. This will open another window where you can edit your contact details for that customer. And by clicking on add contact is where you can, or is how you can add other contacts that you wanted to register under this same main contact if they wish for you to contact or connect with other people within the company. Your list of contacts will show down here where you can set one as primary. And we have here the image list, which will filter all transactions that will show only the ones related to your customer. And this is where you can quickly process payments and edit payments by clicking on the unpaid or status available in this side of the screen. Transaction history is where you can see a quick view of transactions showing the date and amount for the contact. And we have here the notes field at the side of your screen where you can leave comments. And for our vendor, to add contacts for your vendor, you can again click on add button and start filling out the information needed. And same as customer, you can click on the vendor name to check on the vendor detail page. And this is where you can update the main information, business detail, image list, and transaction history. This goes the same with employee detail. You can access the detail page for your employee by clicking on the employee ID. And let's start with adding items or fill out your inventory. Click on Items tab, and to add new items, you will need to click on Add button. This simply works same as adding contacts. Click on Add, and you will have this form to fill out if you wanted to, for you to enter the item description, supplier, and item code, and set your unit cost and opening balance for this. Then click on Add once you're done. To access the detail page for your product or service, you can click on the name, and a new window will open that will lead you to the detail page as to where you can make changes, update stock level, see your purchase history and selling history for the item. All main tabs are found at the top. Each page is designed for a user to understand each functionality right away. This should set you up in tracking your daily accounting work. For further settings, please check other pages such as the chart of accounts, which can be found by clicking on the books icon. Click on accounts, and you'll find a list of accounts already set up for you by Cloudbook. You can edit or delete the account and enter the opening balance if needed. And add new accounts by clicking on Add Accounts. And if you wish to add sub-accounts, you can do it here as well. Tax codes. For tax codes, few taxes are already set up where you can edit and delete it. Create new tax codes by clicking on Add New Tax button and fill out the entry form. Operating item is where you can enter or add new operating items by clicking on Add Operating Item in the Books page still, and type in the item name, description, tax code, and click and select the account and click on add. You'll find all your list of items down here for operating profit where you can edit and delete it. And we have and if you previously have a list of contacts, items, and accounts, as well as transactions, you can easily migrate your file or old software to Cloudbook. Simply follow the steps for import of your information. Click on Import and Export and start selecting the type of file you wish to import to your Cloudbook, whether it's for your contact, item, or account, or transactions. Once that's chosen, you will need to click on Download here so that you have the file that is supported by Cloudbook. And once you have that downloaded, locate the file from on your computer and start filling it out. Once you're done, click on Save and go back to your Cloudbook and click on Choose File. Once it's chosen, click on Import CSV. Working with Cloudbook this easy lessens the time needed to finish your work. Plus, you're at ease that your files are secured and can open it at any time on any device where there is internet connection. For more information, please watch Cloudbook tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.